Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Clarissa, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get rid of hair permanently. Now, I know you guys may have done some research on different ways of removing hair, and you may have seen people mixing the toothpaste with the baking soda and the lemon juice. I swear, I've tried to do that so many times in so many different ways, and it just didn't work for me. So for me, I'm saying it's cap. At most, when I put it on my arm, I felt like a little bit of tingling, and I believe that's just from the lemon juice mixing with the baking soda. But that's it. I've not had one thing take any hair off of my arms. So if it worked for you, leave me a comment down in the comment section. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. So today, I'm going to show you guys how to remove hair permanently using this right here. And this is a papaya. Papaya has a nutrient inside of it called papain. And when you put this on your arm, it slowly reduces the growth of your hair on your arm. So I'm not telling you guys that as soon as you put it on, you're gonna wipe this off your arm 15 minutes later and the hair is gonna be gone. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is that with time, with putting the papaya on your arm or wherever you don't want hair, whether it's your face or your arms or your leg, it will slowly start to decrease the hair growth. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make this hair removal cream. Before we start, I want to let you guys know that I put a post out, and on this post you can actually do a vote letting me know whether you want to see me do more hair videos or more skincare videos or whatever videos you want to see me do more of. So make sure you go on that post and you vote so I know what videos you guys would be interested in. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so we're going to first start by cutting the papaya in half. And here we go. I'm going to take half of this and put it off to the side. Now we're going to scoop out 2 tablespoons of papaya. Alright, now we have our 2 tablespoons of papaya. You guys don't have to worry about your papaya going to waste, because if you want to do this, if you want to put this cream on every day, what you would do is go ahead and skin the papaya and cut it up into chunks and put some in the refrigerator for a few days, but put the rest inside of a Ziploc bag in the freezer, and you can just take out a few chunks every now and then whenever you need it. Alright, now that we have our 2 tablespoons of papaya, you want to take 1 tablespoon of turmeric, and I'm using an organic turmeric, so you just want to take 1 tablespoonful. And you want to add that in. Now you want to mash all this up together. Probably work better with the fork. Alright, now that that's all mixed up, you can actually put it in the blender if you want, but if you have a pretty ripe papaya, it should mash up pretty easily. So next, I'm going to show you guys how to apply this. All right guys, so what you want to do is, I have my arm here. What you want to do is take some of the mixture and you want to rub it onto the area like this. Alright guys, so now after this is rubbed on, you want to let this sit for about 15 minutes. So like I was telling you guys, this is not going to take the hair off immediately. It's going to take some time depending on how fine your hair is. So what you're going to do is just let this sit for about 15 minutes. Alright guys, so it's been about 15 minutes, so all you have to do is just wash this off. Alright guys, so now that I washed my arm off, that's pretty much it. So if you're using this for your face, you can just incorporate this into your skin routine in the morning or at night whenever you choose to do your face. But this is all you have to do guys, and you'll slowly see your hair starting to disappear. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like I said, this is not something that's going to work overnight. It's going to work with time, and it all depends on how coarse your hair is. So it might work quicker for people with finer hair than it's going to work for people with coarser hair. So give it some time to work and see what it does. I'm also going to start doing this routine every day, and I'm going to do an update video showing you guys how well it worked for me. Oh, and also don't forget to vote on the poll guys, and let me know what type of videos you want to see. And as always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, put on your post notifications, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.